The purpose of this section is to familiarize you with the second simple machine, the wheel and axle. The wheel and axle consists of a large wheel attached to an axle so that they both turn together. A typical use for the wheel and axle is to magnify an input force to be able to lift a heavier load. Some examples of wheels and axles might be a doorknob, screwdriver with a thick handle, or a winch. A doorknob can be thought of as a wheel and axle because turning the knob or wheel rotates the spindle or axle, which moves the latch. Let's look at a bit of history related to the wheel and axle since they have been around a long time. The oldest example of a wooden wheel and its axle were found in Slovenia. Radiocarbon dating determined that it was approximately 5,100 to 5,350 years old. It was made of ash and oak and had a radius of 70 centimeters. As you can see, the wheel and axle have been around for a very long time. An example of a wheel and axle is a winch. A winch is a mechanical device that is used to pull in, wind up, or let out, wind out, or adjust the tension of a rope or cable. Winches are found in tow trucks, steam shovels, elevators, and even on boats. Some winches have extremely elaborate designs that can be powered by electric, hydraulic, pneumatic, or internal combustion drives. In these images, we see a winch on the back of a tow truck, on a sailboat to help control the sails, and even in shipyards. A windlass is another example of a wheel and axle. The windlass is used to move heavy objects. It consists of a horizontal cylinder or barrel that is rotated by the turn of a crank or a belt. A winch is attached to the end with a cable or rope around the winch. This pulls the weight attached to the opposite end. A great example of a windlass is using one to raise a bucket of water up from a well before there was indoor plumbing. In the next video, we will look at some equations and examples related to the wheel and axle.